In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're organizing a small team check-in or a large departmental meeting, setting up your meeting link is seamless and user-friendly. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or device, or simply visiting the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register for one. Creating an account is simple, and once you're signed up, you'll have full access to all the great features Teams has to offer. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to the Calendar section. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the calendar icon and click on it. This will open up a view of your ongoing tasks and meetings, which acts like a digital planner. It's a perfect tool to keep you organized and stay on top of your appointments, ensuring you don't miss anything important. Moving forward, it's time to choose when you want to schedule your meeting. Look at the calendar interface and select the date that works best for you and your participants. You can adjust the time by simply clicking on the desired time slot. This will open a meeting scheduling window where you can easily set the details of your meeting. Once you've set the date and time, it's time to give your meeting a title. Choose a title that reflects the purpose of the meeting and gives participants a clear idea of what it's about. It should be something concise yet informative, like project meeting or project distribution. This helps everyone quickly recognize the purpose of the meeting without needing further clarification. Before sending out invitations, it's important to manage the participant details. In the scheduling window, you'll find an option to add attendees. You can search for individual team members or invite external guests by entering their email addresses. Make sure you're precise about who you invite to ensure everyone who needs to be in the meeting is included. If it's a large meeting or an open session for your whole organization, you can click Everyone to make the meeting accessible to all members of your organization or specific groups. Once everything is set up, hit the Save button to securely store all your meeting details and arrangements. Now you're almost ready to go. Finally, you'll want to share the meeting link. Simply find your meeting in the calendar, click on it, and you'll see the option to copy the meeting link. You can share this link with your participants via email, chat, or any other communication platform you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared your meeting link in Microsoft Teams. This tool is incredibly versatile, and it's perfect for all your collaborative needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you organize your future meetings effortlessly. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.